people, and welcome to Long Kiss TV. So today I'm giving y'all TLC Go Let's Go Clovers. I'm giving y'all cheerleading vibes, okay? So thank you so much. Before we get into today's video, I do want to give a huge thanks to Sunber Hair for sending this over. This beautiful honey brown blondish curly vibe. Scale 1 to 10, I give this hair like a 9.5. This is fresh out the box. We plucked for 2 seconds. No bleaching the knots. I did put a sideburn right here, as you guys can see, just so that it's not just straight hairline. And then we did the half up, half down. The density on this hair is amazing. It's super full, super thick, but not too much, you know? Sometimes the density be too much and it just be giving like super helmet, but this is actually like cool. I like it. I love the color. I love the texture. It's really soft. This is not a wig that I would straighten per se, but I think it's very cute how it is. If you want, you can put conditioner and water on it. I have one of these little water bottles, like the little misters, to make it flatter if this is too big for you. It's very versatile. But yeah, getting to the half up, half down vibe with the 2 little bangs. I never do this, but I was feeling like doing it today. So let's put a little more gel on here. The only thing I wish that this wig has was a little bit more parting space. It's really meant for, like, as you see, I can do half up, half down. It's still versatile, but like there's track right here. You know, I wish it kind of went back further, but it's still really cute. It's still really convenient. You see, I still am wearing it half up, half down, so it ain't stopping shit over here. But yeah, super cute. And then look at the hairline. Like, I think that's pretty good. And the color complements my skin very well. I really like the color. And it has highlights throughout it too. It's not the same tone, but if you like to see how I achieve this cute half up, half down look, then just keep watching.
Don't step on the trail. Tempo, tempo. You keep up with my tempo. Tempo, yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots, I got the cheat code. That's why I never lose. They can't predict my moves. I'm way too smooth, I just caught a groove. This right here, that Charizard, the fire in the booth. Had to go right back to you. If you ain't tell no money, she stay get there, so end it up to me, yeah. I pull up in that stunt like a 007 James Bond type movie, yeah. Hey, don't slip on the trail. No. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. Tempo. You keep up with my tempo.
Thought I met you at the wrong time. Then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this can get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. Why did you get for the hype? Yeah. Well, when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right. passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. Where you coming over? Let me be your chauffeur.